Hello, how are you? Hope everything is fine and you are doing great at your place. Welcome to today's discussion on what actually is career growth. Why it's important to know is because when we actually know and understand what actually is career growth, we can work for it and we can achieve it. Hi, my name is Satvinder Singh Bhartiya and I am a career growth coach and a life coach. As a career growth coach, I help people to grow in their career, and as a life coach, I help people to grow, succeed and remain happy in their life. Okay, so first of all, why you should watch this video till the end, and why should you watch all the other live videos which I am going to put on my Facebook page or on my Facebook group. So the reason is that in this video and the videos which are going to come, I am going to talk about career growth. And career growth, you know, is a very important thing. So I'll be talking about what to do, how to do, what not to do to grow in your career, right? So I have a request to make that this video, maybe it's for you, maybe it's not for you, but you may be knowing someone who needs this, who wants this, and who can be helped through this. So I would request you to share with everyone, your loved ones. Okay, so first let us discuss what is the importance of career growth. Number one, when we ask someone, it's like, are you successful in your life? Are you happy in your life? So what comes to his mind? He start to think about his career. So if he is successful in career, he would say yes, he is successful in his life. And if he is happy in his career, then he would say that he is happy in his life. So we know that there are different areas of life. It's like health is there, relationships is there, definitely career is there, and there are more such areas. But primarily, all these areas are connected to one thing, which is a career. So it's important to grow in our career in order to live a fulfilled life. And secondly, we know for sure that out of all the 24 hours, the prime hour, the prime time of our life, which is like morning 9 a.m. to evening 6 or 7 p.m., that we spend on our job, in our business, we spend that prime time to earn a living. So it becomes very important that what we are doing in our prime time, we succeed at that and we remain happy at that. So that's why this is very important. So I want you to comment on the comment in the comment box whether you are watching it live or you are watching it later on. What is the importance of career growth in your life? Is it important? Is it not important? And what's the significance? What is the significance of this? Right? Okay. Now, having discussed the importance, let us discuss is like what actually is career growth. So when we talk about career growth, what comes to your mind? Primarily two things. One is definitely increase in your salary, increase in your income, increments. So that is the one thing that comes when we think about the word career growth. And what is the second thing? Definitely promotion. It's like you're getting promoted, so increase in your position. So that is the second thing. And these are the only two things that primarily comes to our mind. But what can be more? So I say that there are 5 important things which are basically the parameters, the broad parameters, which decide whether you are doing great at your job, whether you are growing at your job or not. Okay, so let us discuss these 5 broad parameters. Now, one of it is, okay, let us discuss these two first, the parameters which we already know and which are very obvious. First is the salary. So having a good salary and a salary which is growing. So definitely when you are working at a good salary, a good package and earning handsome amount of money, and that is increasing in a good way. So every year you are getting good increments. Definitely that is evident that you are growing at your job. Great. And the second thing is your position. So if your position is first thing is that you are holding a position which is according to the things, according to your capabilities, according to your abilities, according to the amount of work you are doing and how you are doing, whether you are in that position which you deserve. That is one thing. Second thing is, now are you growing in terms of your positions? Are you getting the increments at a regular interval of time, and which is not is like after 4 years, 5 years, which should be like a good it's like a period, for example 2 years or maximum 3 years. So this thing, it's also evident that if we are growing here, then we are growing in our career. So we are achieving career growth. Now let's talk about those three things which are not discussed about much. So the third thing is very important, and it is your happiness in your job. So first thing is, are you happy at your job? Second thing is, okay, fine, if you are not happy at your job, is it okay? It should not be that you hate your job. So because if you hate your job and if you are not happy at your job, definitely it's going to affect all the other four parameters. So if you are not happy, and second thing is that happiness growing? If that happiness is not growing, then also career growth, we can say a career is not growing. So this is the third important parameter which we miss, and we do not work on that. It's like how to increase your happiness at your job, because that's going to affect your life when you go home in the evening, on Saturday or Sundays. Okay, so this is the third thing. Which is the fourth thing? Fourth thing is your influence at your job. So what does that mean? That means, are you being valued at your job? Are you given value there? In your office, in your work premises, in your department? Do they consider you valuable? Do you have a say in things? Does your opinion matter? Do they ask for things from you? When you say something, do they even consider it worth discussing, worth accepting? So if you don't have that influence at your job, definitely it's going to affect your career growth. But when you have that influence, that people in your department, your company know that yes, you are something and you have an influence, you have a say in things. In a meeting, your opinion matters. People listen to what you say. Definitely you have that influence. So when we have the influence and that influence is growing and we are working toward it, then also we can say that we are growing at our career, because ultimately that increased influence is going to affect which we generally call a career growth, which would reflect in terms of your salary and increments, promotions. Which is the fifth parameter? Okay, suppose you are in a situation that salary is not growing, or you recently had a hike, or you recently changed your job, so you got that thing. So what about the rest? Next, what about the period which is about to come in the next 12 months, what you are going to do? Okay, you have your salary, good, you are working a good salary, you got a good increment, you got a good promotion also, you are happy at your job, fine. You have an influence as well. Okay, so what is the next parameter? So the next parameter is your responsibility at your job. Are you being given bigger responsibility at your job? So whatever position you are working on, whatever salary you are being given, but does your management, does your boss consider you worth giving a responsibility, a big responsibility, I would say? So if I share my experience, it's like the first company which I was working in when I started as a graduate trainee engineer. So after 3 months of working there, I was very focused on learning things and growing. So my boss realized this thing, that in those 3 months I have learned a lot. So he asked me one question. It's like, if we give you a project to handle independently, can you handle that? So I said, yes, definitely I can handle that. So he said, okay, fine, let us give it a try. So he given me that project, and I started working on it with a lot of passion. Then what happened is that he observed this thing, and this thing created my image in his mind, that yes, this person can take responsibilities and he will fulfill those. So now in his eyes, I became a person whom he can give responsibilities. So definitely it was my first year at job. Whatever salary they offered, I got. Whatever position they offered, I had to take it. I did not have any influence there, because I was new, 3 months in my job. And about happiness, I was very excited, I got the job. So what was there for me which would it's like make me feel that I am growing? And it was this thing, that I am being considered worth giving responsibility. So what happened? It's like suppose if we talk about a situation. So we are 10 years into a job, 15 years into a job. Some of you might be 20 years into a job and settled in a company, doing good, but that feeling of growth is not there. You are having good income as well, and everything is good. So how you can grow more? What is there to achieve more? And that is taking these new responsibilities. So I believe that at whatever position you are, there is always something new responsibility you can take and prove your worth to the management, to the company, right? So having discussed these 5 parameters, I have some small exercise for you. Write in the comment box. It's like out of these 5 parameters, which one you feel you are lacking at, or which 2 or 3 you feel you are lacking at. And in subsequent videos, subsequent live sessions, we would discuss, it's like, what exactly to do to achieve, to grow in all these 5 broad parameters. And definitely I would encourage that when you see this video, whether today or tomorrow or day after, in the comment box, it's like ask questions, so that I can make videos on that. I can come live and discuss about that. And definitely in time to come, we will be having conversations with people who are successful in their career, so we can put that question to them as well and see what are their views on that, right? So that would be very effective, that you have a question and I would try to give an answer to that. So that would be much more beneficial, right? So that question was like, okay, my salary, my increment is in the hands of my boss, my management. My increment is in the hands of my company, management, my boss. So what is that I can do about it? So this is, a very valid question. And, this was my thinking when I started, my job. So it's like 3 years, 4 years, 5 years into the job. And this was the obvious thing. It's like, what can I do about it? So, but then, my simple answer to that is that if you can't do anything about these two, parameters, who is stopping you to working on the next three parameters? And that is the answer to that. Because when you are working on other three parameters, like when you are happy at your job, your performance would be much better and that would be noticed. Second, when you grow your influence at your job, people will notice you, management will notice you, and they can't stop giving you a better pay and a better position because your influence is there and it's growing. And the third and the fifth parameter is the most important, that when you are getting bigger responsibilities, irrespective of your salary, irrespective of your present position, and you deliver onto that, that rings a bell, and you are being noticed in your company, what you are doing, what you are doing for the company and the results which you are getting. So that would translate into your promotion or increment and all that thing. And definitely, when I got this question, it came to my mind that the next live discussion, let us do on that topic. It's like, is your career in your control? Can you control it? Can you take charge of your career? How you can do that, definitely we would discuss in subsequent lives. But for now, this is it for today. So keep associated. I have shared the link of my Facebook group with this live, so you can join that group. You can subscribe to the Facebook page from which I am going live right now, and from that things you can find the other links as well, which will I give in the description, the LinkedIn, YouTube and all the things, all the links. So you remain connected and we will discuss what we can do to grow in our career. We will take charge of that. We will make it happen. We won't give it in the hands of other. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, be in good health, do great at your job, succeed at your job, and be happy at your job. Take care. Bye.